What's your name?
Yeah.
Danielle?
Yeah.
What do you have on? Yeah? What's on your feet? New shoes? Uh-huh. Can you sing a song for Mommy?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Before your high, like a minute eye.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Yay! Good girl. Can you do Mary Had a Little Lamb?
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb, little lamb, little lamb, a store.
Mary had a little lamb, his fleece was white as snow. Everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. How old are you?
2,
2? How many fingers?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You're funny. Where's your brother? What's his name? Critters?
Yeah.
Oh, what's your name?
Danielle.
Are you a little girl?
I know.
Huh?
I like that.
You a little girl?
Yeah.
What am I?
You're the mommy.
I'm a little mommy?
Yeah.
What's
No,
Christopher?
You're a big girl.
Do you have to go use the potty?
Yeah.
Okay, go use the potty. Bye. Tell us if you go. Okay.
Hi.
Hi. What's your name?
Christopher.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What'd you do today?
Played at Damon.
What'd you do this morning?
I went to school.
Can you stand up so I can see you on the camera the right way? Oh, hi. How old are you? How old are you?
4.
Yeah? And what'd you do over there?
Go potty.
You did?
Yeah.
Did you do it?
Yeah.
Need a little help with those pants?
Yeah. Hi, Mom.
You're a hoot. Both of you.
Mom.
Both of you. Christopher, what's your favorite cartoon?
I'll, the turtles and Ghostbusters and, the Smurf
Oh.
and, Hank
Christopher, please sit up.
and Robin,
What'd you take for show and tell today?
Batman suit.
Did you try it on?
Yes.
Yeah? Can you and Danielle dance?
What?
Can you and Danielle do a dance?
Oh, turn the music on.
Turn it on.
Okay, I'll turn the music on.
Okay. Oh, wait, don't turn it up yet. Wait till it comes on. Christopher, it'll be too loud. Turn it up. Okay, stop. Dance fever. Oh, what good dancing.